Eric with Southern Tide Chasers here, and we've got a box to open up today from Tightline's Tackle Box. They have sent us this box to do a review on. We are going to take a look, see what's in here to begin with, and then I will take them out to the lake, toss whatever we got in here around, try to get some video of how it interacts, how it works. They do want me to let you guys know that they have a Facebook page, that they're trying to build a community, a little collective group. They offer coaching for people that may not have a lot of experience in fishing quite yet. And even those who do have experience and maybe just want to communicate with what they are experiencing that's working, techniques that they use. They also have incentives for their testers that interact with the group. They do different things. They have tester team subscribers they would like everybody to go and take a look at. I will put a link to their Facebook page at the description here. So let's get into it and let's see what's in the box. All right, we have a page here that has a description of what's in the box. And if you can see, they have it packaged up real nice. Let's see what we've got first here. Okay, and I've actually been looking at these. I have not yet ordered one. These are what they're calling the Schools Out Crankbait. Say it's a new style, resembles a small shoal of bait fish. And I know everybody's been seeing these things. I am going to be excited to try this. The packaging looks really good. They have their name on there. They have the name of the bait. And look at there, you can see right there on the bait where you can see the little bait fish, and then it's got the extra here on the hook. That one's very, very cool. And then we have here the Toxic Predator. Let's see the colors that's on that. Let's see. Large predators. And let's get it out of here. Alright, look at that thing, guys. And on here, something else that I'm noticing, they put a test here. So it says, can you catch a fish smaller than the lure? Say even smaller than this lure, it's going to be a decent sized fish, huh? What else do we have here? We've got the Creole kit. And here we've got some weighted heads. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Nice looking small crawfish there. That's definitely going to be interesting to toss out there. And again, you can see nice packaging, very good lettering. You can clearly make out what it is. And it says here, as a bonus, we've got a hook extractor. That's pretty self-explanatory. Need to get in there. Something swallowed a hook, got it deep that in there, you can get that out. And really nice stickers, and this is going directly on the vehicle. This is a very nice sticker. And then they have their sticker here. So it says here, let's see, the test for the 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿 kit. Can you tell if the stink helps? I have to find out about that. And they're calling the addition on the hook there the whisker tickler. So, like that. So that's what we got in the box there. I'm going to definitely be taking these lures out to the lake. We're going to toss these things out and show you how they move through the water, what they look like. And definitely go and check out their Facebook page. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Buy some of their boxes. Anything extra that you can add to the tackle box is a good thing, especially when you're helping out these companies that are trying to get a community together. They're trying to make everybody a better fisherman with communication and trying new gear. So on this next part of the video, I will have shots from out at the lake. All right, the first thing we're going to toss here is this 𝐿𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐢𝐛𝐤 bait. The wind is terrible out here today, so if we can get it in here. It definitely dives down deep, which for this location is probably not the greatest, but I'm just trying to get the lure in the water. Hopefully you can see that. It's got a real nice action to it. Dives down deep, and that extra piece on the hook there really stands out in the water. I am a big fan of this lure. Alright. And now we're going to throw this big guy. Oh yeah, that's definitely a deep diver there. I know this lure is big enough. You can see this thing on camera. The color's nice and bright. Look at the way this thing walks in the water. Very nice. Alright, now we're going to toss the crawfish from the 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐠𝐞𝐭 kit. That jig head that they sent with it's got a real nice weight to it. I'm not using a super lightweight rod and reel combo or anything, and very little effort you can toss this thing just way out there. Wind's catching it a bit. And I don't know how well that's showing up on the camera, but the color in this thing is just awesome. You can really see those flakes in it just sparking whenever the light hits it. This thing's dancing through the water. Alright, Tide Chasers, hopefully with the video of the lures in the water and showing you what came in the box, this has been a informative video for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. One of my more favorite things to do is these video reviews. Definitely go to their Facebook page, check them out. Like I said, I'll have the link in the description, and I'll have it pop up right here on the video. And hopefully there'll be more videos like this to come, and we'll also be doing the video of the lake, that whole series where we're doing the cleanup and everything. So plenty more to come. Keep watching and enjoy.